Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Betterment Hall ticket number. First, ensure you have your registration details ready, as these are crucial for accessing the online portal. Gathering these items beforehand will make the process much smoother and help you avoid any delays. A stable internet connection is also important for a seamless experience. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the official website of the examination board. Look for a clearly labeled section, often called Hall Ticket or Admit Card, usually found under an Admissions or Examinations tab. Once you locate it, click on the specific link designated for Betterment or Supplementary Examinations to proceed. Now, you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. This typically includes your unique registration number and either your date of birth or a password you set during application. After entering these details, carefully review all the information displayed on your screen to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed to download your hall ticket. Once downloaded, it's highly recommended to print at least 2 copies of your hall ticket. Keep one safe and carry the other to your examination center along with a valid photo identification. This ensures you have backup and meet all entry requirements. And speaking of being prepared, check out the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.